I'm Mona from Drunk Elephant. I'm here to talk to you about our amazing new eye serum. But first, a little history. Drunk Elephant's first eye product is Shaba. It soothes and hydrates your eye area, and we've basically just made it better. Introducing A-Shaba Complex Eye Serum. It's a really lightweight and moisturizing formula. It reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles, it alleviates puffiness around the eyes, it increases moisture and improves elasticity for a rested, more youthful look. I definitely want all of the above. A-Shaba Complex Eye Serum has two of my favorite things in it, retinol and caffeine. 0.1% vegan retinol, also known as your vitamin A, where the name A-Shaba comes from, is a pure form of vegan retinol. It helps improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area and wards off free radical damage done by daily exposure to UV rays, pollution, and other environmental stressors. How amazing is that? Retinol in an eye product. The 3% caffeine has a powerful antioxidant benefit to the skin. Lastly, A-Shaba contains copper peptides, another great source for antioxidant properties. Known for its ability to promote healthy collagen production, which reduces the appearance of fine lines. It'll also help improve skin elasticity, which is awesome. How to use A-Shaba Complex Eye Serum? Gently pat one pump under the eyes, along the orbital bone, and even on the eyelids. You can apply all Drunk Elephant eye products on your eyelids. In the daytime, always top it off with a broad spectrum sunscreen. At Drunk Elephant, you can mix your serum, your cream, or an oil all in the palm of your hand and apply. We call this a skincare smoothie. My personal favorite skincare smoothie right now is TLC Framboos, A Glowy, and Lala Retro. All mixed in the palm of your hand and apply. A-Shaba then can be applied as your topper afterward.